In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use threads on Slack. This feature is designed to help you keep conversations more organized and ensure relevant responses stay connected to the original message. If you find your Slack channels becoming overwhelming with multiple conversations happening simultaneously, using threads can be a game changer. Let's begin by explaining what a thread is. Simply put, a thread is a series of messages that all respond to an initial message, creating a nested conversation. This helps prevent clutter in the main channel feed, allowing for more streamlined communication. To get started, open the Slack channel where you wish to create or engage in a thread. Once you're in the correct channel, look for the message you want to respond to. Hover over it, and you'll see several icons pop up. Click on the one that looks like a speech bubble, which is the thread icon. Doing so will open the thread panel to the right of your screen. Now, in the thread panel, you can see any existing responses to the original message, or if you're the first to respond, you'll be creating the initial thread response. Type your message into the input box and press enter to send it. Congratulations, you've just added to or created a thread. When others reply to this thread, you'll see a small message preview in the original channel to let everyone know there is an ongoing conversation. This preview does not clutter the main channel feed, but provides context that a discussion is happening within a thread. To keep track of threads that matter to you, navigate to the Threads option, typically found at the top of your left-hand sidebar on Slack. By clicking on Threads, you'll see all the discussions you're participating in or following. This area helps you manage your threaded conversations and never miss an important response. If at any point you want to clarify which thread a message belongs to, simply click on the message preview in the main channel. This action will direct you back to the thread panel where you can catch up on the full exchange. One final tip: be mindful of using threads for brief answers that are meant for the entire channel. Reserve threads for situations where a conversation genuinely benefits from more in-depth discussion without cluttering the main channel's flow. Congratulations! You now know how to effectively use threads in Slack to keep your conversations more organized and channel communication clearer. With practice, managing your collaborative workspace can become significantly more efficient. Happy Slacking, and see you in the next video.